Beta was here already higher estimated, so we found that the typical gamma estimated on the basis of a combination of spike synchrony estimates and phase locking histograms, we ended up with a relation of spikes being part of assemblies of about 22%. And now I come to the end, to the discussion. So I think I could show you that unitary events log better to the local field potentials than to coincidences. And I presented to you a simple conceptual model which, so to say, merged the idea of synchrony in a mesoscopic signal, meaning in the population signal, and on the spiking level within the idea of assemblies. And this, based on this simple model, the first seemingly contradictory result that unitary events log better than chance coincidences was completely resolved. And what I also showed is that only the joint analysis of local field potential and the spikes reveal a global parameter of the network dynamics, meaning the assembly participation probability. What we also did, which, because some people complained, but I didn't show you this now, but we also did the control analysis based on surrogates. Actually, we used spike train shift surrogates in order to account for potential spike covariation, which may be related to the LFP oscillation. So we wanted to check if this is not all a false positive result. However, when we use this spike train shift surrogates to generate our distribution, so to account for all the potential firing rate changes within the window and the covariation and so on, we got exactly the same result. So our outlook, what we are going to do next is, because we got this indication that there may be maybe even a relation between the order of synchrony, meaning how many neurons are involved in a synchronous event, that we want to go and look for more massive parallel spike data and relate the order of synchronous events to the local field potential, and would expect that there is an even stronger relationship. And in parallel, we also started to do biophysical modeling of the local field potential to get a better understanding of this measure. And I want to close again with thanking all these people, because I want to emphasize that I like to work at RIKEN very much. It's a very nice working environment, and we also gathered a very nice group, and maybe some of you want to join our lab. Thank you very much.